Hi. Let's learn about Form 4506, Request for Copy of Tax Return. Today, we will talk about Form 4506, Request for Copy of Tax Return is filed by taxpayers to request exact copies of one or more previously filed tax returns and tax information from the Internal Revenue Service. Copies may be needed to complete a current year tax return, amend a prior year tax return, file a claim for a refund or abatement, apply for government benefits, apply for federal student aid, verify income during a loan application process, or defend an IRS audit. There is a fee for getting a full copy of a tax return. In some cases, a free transcript, a shorter printout of the return information, may serve a taxpayer's need just as well. Taxpayers requesting copies of previously filed tax returns can file Form 4506, Request for Copy of Tax Return. You can also request a copy to be sent to a third party. Third parties might include a mortgage lender verifying your income with the IRS. In this case, you sign and file Form 4506, and the IRS sends the tax return copy directly to your lender. Form 4506 can be filed when an exact copy of a previously filed tax return is needed. A range of tax returns, including the Form 1040 series of individual tax returns, Form 1120 series corporate tax returns, Form 1065 partnership tax returns, and Form 1041 estate or trust tax returns, can be requested. Form 4506 must be completed and mailed to the IRS at the mailing address shown on the form. There is a $43 fee charged for each tax period requested. Copies are usually available for returns filed in the current year as well as the previous 6 years. Other forms in the 4506 series include Form 4506-T, Request for Transcript of Tax Return, and Form 4506-T Easy, Short Form Request for Individual Tax Return Transcript. They allow you to request a transcript, a printout, without any attachments, of a previously filed tax return. When paper filing any of the Form 4506 series, copies and transcripts of jointly filed tax returns may be requested by either spouse, and only one signature is required. When using Get Transcript online, either the primary or secondary spouse on a joint return can make the request. When using Get Transcript by mail or phone, only the primary taxpayer on the return can make the request. IRS Form 4506 can be filed by taxpayers to request an exact copy of a previously filed return and tax information. If you use the Get Transcript option on the IRS website, you can download your forms immediately. If you request a transcript by mail, it could take 5 to 10 calendar days for it to arrive at your address on file with the IRS. Transcripts can typically be used as a substitute for an exact copy of a return by mortgage lending agencies. In fact, they were created specifically to supply mortgage lenders with the tax return information of their borrowers. Mortgage lenders may require you to fill out Form 4506-T as part of your mortgage application. It allows them to obtain a transcript of your tax return information directly from the IRS. They use it to verify the other income documentation you provided during the loan application process. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Form 4506 is filed by taxpayers to request exact copies of previously filed tax returns and tax information. 2. You can request a range of different types of previously filed tax returns, going back 6 years or more depending on the form. 3. It currently costs $43 to get a copy of your return. 4. If you don't need an exact copy of your return, Forms 4506-T and 4506-T Easy allow you to request free transcripts of a previously filed tax return. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.